Hey guys, it's Chef Jason, Ace Hardware grilling expert, coming to you from my backyard grill stadium today. And we've got a viewer request for today's YouTube video. And I'll tell you what, Amanda, thank you for the suggestion because we're super excited. Today is sausage and peppers, and I threw in an onion too. But Amanda said I would love to see a beautiful sausage and peppers recipe on the Traeger. We're gonna be cooking on the Ironwood 650 today. We've got some cool gear. We have a great recipe and we're gonna have a lot of fun. Don't forget today's recipe. You can head down below into the comment section. We've got a link set up for you. You can click, print, and follow along. Grab this recipe, add it to your Ace Hardware cookbook, and you will be set to have an amazing time with us. So let's get the grill fired up. Let's do a little bit of a food flyover. We're gonna do a little bit of prep work today too. Not a lot. We've just got to cut a pepper and onion, and then it's time to get cooking. Well, first thing we need to do is get this Traeger fired up. So we're cooking on the Ironwood 650 today. Our cooking temperature is going to be 375 degrees. We've got that hopper full of those beautiful reserve blend pellets. So we'll go ahead and get this dialed in to 375. We will hit ignite and we are set and ready to go. Now, first thing I'm gonna do as well is load the grill with our grilling basket so that has a chance to heat up while our grill preheats. Okay, you guys, from an ingredient standpoint, super easy today. The gear we're gonna be using, this right here is our Traeger stainless steel grill basket. That's gonna do a great job holding those peppers and onions in place, giving us a chance to saute them and really get a good wood-fired finish. We've got some beautiful fresh Italian sausage, and I went with a mild or a sweet Italian today, just to counter the rub, so I kind of had some sweet and salty. We have a green pepper, a red bell pepper, and a red onion. We're gonna get those guys all chopped up and ready to go. And then we have a little bit of our canola oil that we use. We're gonna season it with our rub-a-dub seasoning. And then this Fishy is such a fantastic herb seasoning, but that's it. Quick and simple. We'll mix the peppers and onions up in a bowl. We'll get them into the pan. Let's get cooking. I'm giving you the easy prep work today because basically we went through and julienned our red onions, our green peppers, and our red peppers. And what we're gonna do now is add these all into the bowl and get these guys seasoned up. And you know what we always say, right? Add as much or as little seasoning as you prefer. That is the secret of cooking, how you like it, how your family likes it. So we're gonna add a little bit of that canola oil. We'll let that kind of do its thing. Get this tossed up here just a little bit. Mixed in real nice. And then again, like I said, we're gonna adjust the seasoning, a little bit of rub-a-dub to start, a little bit of fishy as well. And then we'll go ahead and give that a toss. Next up, it is time to get these on the grill. Okay, Traeger is preheated to 375. We've got the grill pan in there. Now we're gonna go ahead and set those peppers and onions in there. And you can hear that sizzle, right? We added just enough oil to get, you know, a little bit of flavoring, a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of non-stick prevention, right? So we'll go ahead and push that back, get the lid closed. Now we're gonna let this cook for 5 minutes before we add our sausage. Okay, we are 5 minutes in. Let's give these guys a quick little saute here. We've got a nice long pair of tongs. Get these all nice and mixed up. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our Italian sausage now so that we can start getting this thing all set and ready to go. We'll let these guys cook now for 10 minutes before we come back and get ready to saute those onions and peppers again and flip the sauce. All right, so here we go. It is time to flip these guys. And now what I like to do is I like to set them right on those peppers and onions, and that will be how we finish these guys off. So now we're gonna go ahead and leave these, and our ultimate goal is that 160-degree internal temperature. We are done. We're at 160 degrees, and look at those beauties right there. Let's get these guys off, get them over to the cutting board, and do a little bit of that, you know what, quality control. Fast and easy recipe. I'll tell you what, the Traeger did an amazing job. And I would say big, huge thanks to Amanda because this was your viewer request. So we appreciate that. I'll get these peppers and onions off here. We've got our sausage all set on the table. Hey, don't forget today's recipe, this guy right here, you can head down below into the description section. You can click, print, and follow along. Hey, keep that recipe forever. Keep it as part of your Ace recipe collection for sure. Then, while you're down there, don't forget to leave us a comment and tell us what would you like to see? What can we teach you? Definitely, how can we be more helpful? And then subscribe. It is time to subscribe to the Ace Hardware YouTube channel. Tell your friends, tell every single person you know, get into this. Let's do it. Let's have fun and cook together for sure. And then, like always, guys. We wouldn't leave you hanging. You guys, we've got some cool recipes coming up. We've got a fantastic cheese stuffed burger that Chad Ward and I did on the Traeger. And then Chad and I were hanging out for the day, so we decided to also do a pretty cool reverse sear steak as well. So time to do what we do. It is quality control. So I actually, I have to apologize, but I quality controlled earlier. So this sausage is the remnants of the first quality control. Cheers.